a drop top convertible, unique specialty and classics, 1999 Mazda Miata. Original mile car, just a little over 73,000 miles on it. Classic red in color, 1.8 liter. Dual overhead cam engine underneath the hood. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Give you a good look at the front fascia. Paint shows well on this one. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, the engine bay, top up, top down, take a look at the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us, 507-386-1726. The dark charcoal interior, bucket seats, of course. 1.8 liters paired up with the 5-speed manual transmission. You can see the wood inlay package was added aftermarket. This does have the AM, FM, CD player in dash, and also a CD changer that you'll see in the trunk pictures. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's a little small puncture, little dinger in the rear bumper and a couple of stressed areas, but nothing real major there. Good car, get in, drive, have some fun in the summer, top down. End of the video, we are going to put the top up. Of course, it'll be a manual top. One person can put it up and down very easily, black vinyl. And again, we'll check out the shape of that here at the end of the video. Or if you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, plenty of pictures of it with the top up, close-ups of the top at uniqueclassiccars.com. So you can check that out. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a look at the engine bay. But first, take a peek at the interior. Passenger seat not showing a whole lot of wear. Driver's seat, it's good on the seating surface. Little wear up in the bolster area. Kind of what you'd expect, I guess, with one with around 73,000 miles on it. Door panel looks good. Wipers worked. I had the AM FM radio working. It does have the ashtray and lighter, never been used. Again, AC was blowing cold, wipers worked, so here's everything's functioning on this one. So there's your exact miles, 73,617. See, the gauges are working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure, fuel gauge, tach, all in working order. No warning indicators, just that seat belt light since I don't have it on. Top of the dash. All good condition. Pop that hood so we can open that in a second. Sounds as you would expect. Not smoking, running smooth. All right, I'm gonna pause this video just a second, get this hood propped open, take a look at the engine bay, and we'll put that top up and check that out and wrap this video up. Underside of the hood, nice and clean. Look at this engine bay. Considering the age of the vehicle, extremely clean, but these cars aren't really driven in much for inclement weather, so I guess that's what you'd expect it to look like underneath here if it was well taken care of. And again, 1.8 liter, dual overhead cam, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. There's a peek at the engine bay. Pause this one last time. We'll put up that convertible top. I'll get the hood shut up, and we'll take a look at that condition and wrap this video up. And here it is with the top up. See, nice tight fit up above the windshield. Again, black vinyl. free of rips, tears, holes. I can't imagine the top being up on this car a whole lot, of course, with it being the convertible summer car. Rear glass window with defogger. And the passenger side. So yeah, top in good shape. Matches the rest of the car. Actual mile, 1999 Mazda Miata. Here at UniqueClassicCars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1999 Mazda Miata. This is a convertible. This is a 5-speed. So far she shifts really good, drives really good. Radio is functional, wipers are functional. We've got oil pressure, fuel, and temperature gauges. It's a pretty good looking car, red with black. We've got some wood grain on the dash and the doors. It's a strong runner. Our blower motor works well. Heater works great. It is cold out today in Minnesota. We've got snow on the ground, but not on the roads. The roads are dry, so we're able to do these driving videos for you. I am 6'1", and I actually fit in this car pretty comfortable. Let's get up some speed for you. There, we're at 55. Not even much wind noise, and it's straight. There's no pulling or shimmies. It's a really nice running car, smooth, corners well. Responsive in the steering as you'd expect a small car to be. Definitely one to check out. Check it out on our website or in our showroom.